go in, so my virus might have cleared my system, and then secondly, these tests aren't perfect.
A review out yesterday by Johns Hopkins found on the first day of symptoms, there's a nearly 40% chance of a false negative on a diagnostic. It drops to 20% 3 days later, which the researchers say may be the optimal time for testing. Joseph is feeling stronger by the day. He also hopes people continue to take the virus seriously. Kate Snow, NBC News.
We're rooting for you, Joseph. And on that risk of crowding on planes tonight, the head of the House Transportation Committee is urging airlines to keep at least one seat empty between all passengers and to limit seating on planes to no more than 2/3 of capacity. The new push coming after some passenger videos went viral showing crowded planes. Tonight, the FBI has seized the phone of a powerful senator, the chairman of the Senate Intelligence Committee, temporarily stepping aside from his post as the feds investigate whether he used inside information to sell stocks and save big money before the pandemic tanked the market. Pete Williams is in Washington tonight. Pete, what do you know?
These allegations first surfaced in March, but now this investigation is clearly in a new phase. And tonight, Senator Richard Burr, Republican of North Carolina, says it's become a distraction, so he's stepping down for now as the intelligence chairman. Law enforcement officials say just last night, the FBI went to Senator Burr's Washington, D.C. home to get his cell phone after showing his lawyer a search warrant. That would require a judge's finding that there's probable cause to think the phone could contain evidence of a crime. Law enforcement officials say they're investigating whether Burr engaged in insider trading, but he has said that his stock sales before the pandemic dragged down the market are based strictly on positive information.
Pete Williams, thanks very much. In 60 seconds, encouraging news in the race for a vaccine. A new breakthrough vaccine scientists at Oxford. Also, the first look at a report on a cutting-edge treatment in the world is safety disease.
Mga to, vaccine na lang pala. Sarap vaccine.
Just released results from a study involving 6 monkeys. So it's small and preliminary, but after 4 weeks, the vaccine produced antibodies to COVID-19 in all of the monkeys and prevented them from getting pneumonia when they were exposed to the virus. The people that didn't get the vaccine got sick. So this is certainly promising. But of course, they respond differently than monkeys. So this vaccine is also currently being tested in more than 1,000 people. And the first results are supposed to be
Tonight, a first look at a promising report on a nationwide team of more than 5,000 doctors and over 2,000 hospitals and labs looking at an experimental therapy called convalescent plasma. It's using an antibody with blood from someone who recovered from a current patient. How encouraged are you by this, Dr. Dr. Michael Jordan is one of the heads of that research consortium, racing to provide data about the safety and effectiveness of the treatment, looking at half of the 10,000 patients nationwide who have now received it. Claudia Garcina was one of them.
I'm the Chief Nursing Officer, Vice President for Nursing at Mount Sinai, Brooklyn.
A chest x-ray revealed pneumonia in both lungs. Diagnosed with COVID-19, she went home to wait it out. But she kept getting sicker. Her daughter drove her to Mount Sinai in Manhattan. Goodbye, painful.
Looking at her and thinking to myself, is this the last time I'm going to see her?
3 days later, she was worse. Her son called with that experimental treatment option.
Mom, great news! They think you can have the power. Do you think I should do that? It's like a transfusion, I'm not sure.
But worried she would put on a ventilator, she agreed.
I really wasn't a nurse at that moment. I was really a frightened, sick patient who was worrying about surviving.
Dr. Joyner says the hard data about the effectiveness of the treatment is yet to come. How soon will they have it?
As fast as we can. Our data mining and analytics team is
she received the plasma.
Remember, being that first deep breath, I felt like I had oxygen. I felt like I won the lottery. It really sounds like I'm looking miracle. Exactly. Of course, immediately I called my son and I said to him, I think that plasma did it.
Promising results for a nation in need. Cynthia McFadden, NBC News.
Up next for us tonight, a lawyer for one of the suspects in the Ahmaud Arbery shooting case speaks out for the first time. New developments in the shooting of Ahmaud Arbery. Attorneys for one of the suspects are speaking out for the first time as new video raises questions in the case. Here's Blaine Alexander.
Tonight, for the first time, we are hearing from the attorneys of Travis McMichael, one of the men charged with Ahmaud Arbery's murder.
No matter how you look at this case, a young man died. And that is always a tragedy. At the forefront of our minds as we proceed down this road. But that does not mean that a crime has been committed.
The attorney declined to discuss specifics of the case, but said more facts.
Judge has a presumption of innocence. That presumption of innocence from now throughout the course of the trial until the jury decides that he is not innocent.
We wish that Travis and Gregory McMichael would have reported that same presumption of innocence for Ahmaud Arbery, who was murdered without a trial.
Attorneys for Travis's father, Gregory, will hold their own news conference tomorrow. According to the police report, the McMichaels armed themselves and started following Arbery because they thought he was a burglary suspect. Gregory McMichael told police his son fired because Arbery violently attacked Travis. Arbery's family said he was unarmed out for a jog. Now, a new surveillance video taken more than a week before the shooting is getting attention. It shows an unknown person enter a home construction site. The owner, Larry English, released the video and a message from a neighbor saying the unknown person ran inside after Travis confronted him. Travis McMichael's attorney did not respond to our questions about the video, and Arbery's family attorney says he does not believe that it shows Ahmaud Arbery. In a statement, an attorney for English said nothing was taken from the property and he is unsure who is in the video. Blaine Alexander, NBC News, Atlanta.
We are tracking a system off the southeast coast tonight, threatening to grow into the first named storm of the season. A cluster of thunderstorms may become a tropical or subtropical system by the weekend.
Where's the paste? I have it on video. The video's running.
The card's like 10 FPS more, so
Just
Alright.
10.
Hey everybody, I'm
Well,
Richard
it's a
from
lot
MSI
in
and
a
welcome
game.
to this new video.
It's a
You
lot.
guys
It's a lot.
come in all kinds of
But
colors and
my
flavors,
card
and today
ran
we
like
decided
60
to take time
FPS
to
and your
build a
card
PC
runs like
with you
70.
from A to Z. First, let's
On
take a
the-
look at a
on
few
what?
things we need to
Tarkov.
equip ourselves with.
Huh?
Tarkov.
First and
Tarkov.
foremost, you'll
Yeah,
need
so
a
it's like-
screwdriver. I
Yeah, that's
recommend
pretty
a
good.
medium-sized
Getting 10
screwdriver
more FPS on
and a
game
smaller
like
one.
Is that good?
The first
So,
one we use
what's
for
the
all bigger
rating?
screws, while
What?
the smaller ones go into
In
these little
Tarkov?
tiny screws like the ones
70
used for the
FPS and all
M.2
that.
drives.
That's not
Pro
good.
tip, using a
Well,
magnetized
it's a
screwdriver
very
is a big
intensive
plus.
game.
It could
And I
cost
have to
you
go
just
to a
little
spot
bit more,
where
but it'll save you a lot of time and trouble.
our FPS,
Some
the
zip
FPS will
ties or
drop that
Velcro
much.
strips, as well as a pair.
Okay, what else? Memory. Where is 2? 2. 2 first.
Here, this one and that says on there.
Where?
DIM A2, DIM B2,
Yeah.
DIM A1, DIM B1.
So
this
the
is
first
one.
will be 2. Dima 2, it says here.
Yeah.
Where's that one? It says here. Where's that one? No, it's missing. It says here. Insert Dima 2. Where's Dima 2?
This one.
It says Dima 2 there.
It says it on the board. DIM A2. I think it was right the other way, I'm pretty sure.
Why?
Because it's offset.
This is bad. Like that? Oh, what's this
Yeah.
board? Huh?
Yeah.
Dima 2 paired with this is dual channel. I just saw that a while ago. Where's that manual I was reading?
Well, it should be this one, right?
No,
Yeah. That's what the board says.
that's not what it says here. Just a Dima 2 and then there. Install that. Dima 2. Install Dima 2 first. Always insert memory modules in the Dima 2 slot first. Okay? Dima 2. Channel A. And then Dima B. Huh?
Yeah.
Where's the Dima B?
DIM B2 is this one right here.
It's such a bad memory. Hmm? Okay, and what else? Do we install this one now or later? What is the stand-up for that?
Where are you gonna put it? The cooler.
Well, you know where I put my cooler, right?
Like right here?
Yeah. Just hang it there. That's where I always put it.
Did you put the M.2 drives in already?
Huh?
Did you put the M.2
Yeah.
drive? I thought you got two.
That one.
Two of
It's
them.
not yet arrived. The other one. This is so big, though. I'm afraid this will hit the CPU. Okay na? Don't install the final. Pandemic. This is underneath. So the problem with this one, pandemic. So it needs the screw first. Or do I install this first?
Did I have a manual with it?
Yeah, this one. So you don't know how to install that?
Well, they have brackets and everything, but this will tell you exactly which holes need to be used.
I know which one needs to be used. This one.
There's like multiple different ones because it's meant to fit.
Oh, is that
multiple
this
different
one?
sockets.
Is this not good?
This is the one I have is better.
Really? After you finish the one I had there.
So this is the one we're looking at. This one.
Yeah, that's the one.
So 115X is the bottom one.
Yeah. So this is, goes to the bottom, right?
Yeah,
Or the top?
bottom.
Huh?
Pretty sure it's bottom.
Does it say there?
Yeah, that's the back one.
What screw are they using? That screw. That screw is not even here. Intel. This one? Oh, this one, this one, this one. Oh, that one.
This is the shorter one, I think. And the longer one is for the AMD.
This is the longer one. That's the short one.
Yeah, even has it. Yeah. So,
Okay. Where is it? This one will not even fit. They said the other hole.
the bottom one, yeah.
Is it? Alam mo, nasa video ka, alam mo yun, di ba? Naka-video ka.
Nakabidyo ka?
Yeah?
Pandemic, typhoon, iba.
Oh.
Disasters.
I don't really want to install that until we put it there. Or is it better to install it now?
Install what?
That one here.
It's easy to install it because it's just these standoffs and then
Yeah, install that and then we'll mount it
Yeah,
when
that's
it's
all.
already there. I hate cables like this. We should have just installed this directly.
Why?
It's better. We'll have those connections there, I know it. This is the wrong power
Going into
supply.
the PSU?
Huh?
What do you mean loose connections?
We'll have those connections there. Been doing this for such a long time. Ay. Now it got removed again. See?
Oh, does it not have something holding it
No.
in place?
No.
Maybe we have to do this.
Oh, no. It needs this one. Oh, see? It has
Oh, you
this
can
one,
put
yeah.
that, yeah, right there.
Which one is for Intel? This is not the one.